Our team name is Clean Green, and our service was dedicated to tree planting, water testing, and cleaning up a creek. Our research topic that we decided on was deforestation and the impact it has on the environment. This presentation is narrated by Evan Cradle, Cameron Uffner,
Evan Dragon, and William Pepper.
There are forests all over the world, from one end of the globe to the other. Forests cover about 31% of the Earth's surface, providing food and habitat for many different species. Deforestation is the process by which large amounts of trees are forcefully cleared away. Throughout our history, we have lost tremendous amounts of our forests. For example, the Amazon rainforest has lost about 17% of their forest in the last 50 years. Another example is in 2019, the tropics were losing around 30 soccer fields worth of trees a minute. This is mostly due to logging and agriculture, two of the highest drivers for deforestation. Both forestry and agriculture make up about 24% of global greenhouse gas emissions. What causes deforestation? Climate change, referring to long-term shifts in average weather patterns, affects Earth's local, regional, and global climates. Urbanization also plays a role in deforestation through various interconnected processes. This includes land conservation and mining as significant contributors to the loss of trees and ecosystems. In agriculture, the expansion of land made by farmers and the need to meet growing global demand for food and other agricultural products contribute to deforestation as well. This expansion often involves clearing forests for plantations or land for animal grazing, adding to pressure to global agricultural frontiers. What are the consequences of deforestation? The process of deforestation brings along many different consequences. One of these consequences is the loss of our natural world. Forests have been in a severe decline for many years now and will continue to get worse until there are no forests left to destroy. Deforestation also impacts biodiversity as many species, habitats, and prey live within these forests. Deforestation can also lead to increased droughts as forests have a crucial role in the water cycle as trees absorb moisture and then release that moisture back into the atmosphere. Forests also contribute to water quality as the trees act as natural filters for groundwater. It can also lead to economic issues such as soil erosion and possible extinction of the lumber industry, which provides people with countless jobs across the globe. Climate change is a global issue, and deforestation only helps fuel climate change. Trees absorb that carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere, which is a main greenhouse gas. When trees get destroyed in mass amounts, all of that stored carbon dioxide gets released right back into the atmosphere, ultimately adding to the issue of climate change.
Here are some possible solutions. Planting trees. Planting trees helps healthy forest structure and preserves biodiversity. Another way is to reduce palm oil, beef, and soy. Reducing those, there's a way you can reduce them by informing people on the negative effects that products, including soy, beef, and palm oil, have in the environment and society. Motivate people to choose carefully and back companies that stick to sustainable and deforestation-free sourcing. Another way is positive and responsible forestry. By removing tree species on purpose, selective logging substitutes clearing entire forests. In doing so, the forest ecosystem's organic regeneration is able to preserve its biodiversity and ecological process. Reducing illegal logging. Enforcing and strengthening laws against illegal logging helps prevent the unauthorized harvest of trees, which is a significant contributor to deforestation. Implementing technology, such as satellite monitoring, which can enhance transparency and traceability in the timber supply chain. Another way is forest management plans. Make sure that logging operates and carried out responsibly, taking into consideration economically and social factors. By developing and following through forest management plans, regular monitoring and assessment of the health of the forest aid in spotting possible problems early on and addressing them.
Here are some possible goals being put out in an attempt to save the trees. Goal 15 from the United Nations is to protect life on land. Goal 15 focuses on halting biodiversity loss, sustaining forests, restoring ecosystems, and to stop desertification. The UN also offers some targets so we can meet our goals, some of which include preventing invasive species uh, from land and water, eliminating poaching, restoring forests, ending degraded land, and a lot of other options that can lead to deforestation. There are also some very easy things that the common people can do as well. These include reducing the use of paper, recycling properly, eliminating the use of pesticides, cleaning local parks, and even coming together with the community and planting trees to restore the ones who fell victim to deforestation.